That is so cool. Gonna find ourselves a campsite down here. We're camping here tonight.
Go find ourselves something to bring back into Flaming Gorge area.
Well, don't forget, if we find any fossil fish here, it's catch and release. More mud cracks. Mud cracks. I mean, Eocene mud cracks.
Ooh, Trump in jail yet? What else?
Paleontologist David Blair.
Almost kind of looks like could have been a volcano. Has a crater at the top.
Yowza.
Probably not. Unless I'm gonna go.
Here, let me come down and take a look at that.
I'm gonna go fishing.
Ooh, catch and release, buddy.
Ooh. What's going on? Star.
Sitting in the van, loving life. This is too good. Doing some camping. I know, right? Oh gosh, I better check on my socks. Oh, there they are. I'm okay. Oh wait, what about shirts? Oh, there they are. Good morning. I'm sitting here enjoying my lovely coffee. And it's warm in here because nice warm air. Paleontologist David Blair is seeking a place to relocate the Eocene fossil fish that he found in a place where some kid may find them and take them to his mom and dad and go, oh, look what I found, look what I found, look what I found, mom and dad, sitting there like pictures. There you go. Hey, you feel all good about that?
No.
Good morning. Good morning is looking It's pretzel time. There's only one real pretzel here. Wonder which one that is.